ప్రవీణుడు కలిగేవాడు, అంధుడు గుడ్డివాడు, రుద్రుడు శివుడు, అరుణుడు సూర్యుడు. ధన్యవాదములు.
నేను 5వ తరగతి సఫైర్ నుంచి వచ్చాను. ఈరోజు నేను మా నాన్నగారి గురించి చెప్పబోతున్నాను. మా నాన్నగారి పేరు వీరేష్. మా నాన్నగారికి 45 సంవత్సరాలు. మా నాన్నగారు వ్యాపారవేత్త. మా నాన్నగారు నాకు చదువులో సాయం చేస్తారు. మా నాన్నగారు నన్ను ఎంతమంది నడిపిస్తారు. ధన్యవాదాలు.
జీకే ప్రశ్నలు తీసుకొని వచ్చాను. 1వ తరగతి ప్రశ్న, మన జాతీయ పక్షి ఏది? నేను మళ్ళీ చెప్పబోతున్నా, మన జాతీయ పక్షి ఏది? సమాధానం చెప్పలేదు. సరైన సమాధానం నెమలి. 2వ తరగతి ప్రశ్న, మన జాతీయ క్రీడ ఏది? నేను మళ్ళీ చెప్పబోతున్నా, మన జాతీయ క్రీడ ఏది? మీరు సరైన సమాధానం చెప్పలేదు. సరైన సమాధానం హాకీ. 3వ తరగతి ప్రశ్న, ఆధార్ కార్డులో ఎన్ని నంబర్లు ఉంటాయి? నేను మళ్ళీ చెప్పబోతున్నా, ఆధార్ కార్డులో ఎన్ని నంబర్లు ఉంటాయి? మీరు సరైన సమాధానం చెప్పారు. వారిని అభినందిద్దాం. 4వ తరగతి ప్రశ్న, ప్రపంచంలో తొలి విశ్వవిద్యాలయం ఏది? నేను మళ్ళీ చెప్పబోతున్నా, ప్రపంచంలో తొలి విశ్వవిద్యాలయం ఏది? మీరు సరైన సమాధానం చెప్పలేదు. సరైన సమాధానం తక్షశిల. 5వ తరగతి ప్రశ్న, మహాభారతంలో ఎన్ని పర్వాలు ఉన్నాయి? సరైన సమాధానం చెప్పారు. వారిని అభినందిద్దాం. ధన్యవాదాలు.
First
Tenth. I did my homework. Future tense. I will do my homework.
భారతదేశం నా మాతృభూమి. భారతీయులందరూ నా సహోదరులు. నేను నా దేశాన్ని ప్రేమిస్తున్నాను. సుసంపన్నమైన బహువిధమైన నా దేశ వారసత్వ సంపద నాకు గర్వకారణం. దీనికి అర్హత పొందడానికి సర్వదా నేను కృషి చేస్తున్నాను. నా తల్లిదండ్రులను, ఉపాధ్యాయులను, పెద్దలందరినీ గౌరవిస్తాను. ప్రతి వారితోనూ మర్యాదగా నడుచుకుంటాను. జంతువుల పట్ల దయతో కలిగి ఉంటానని ప్రతిజ్ఞ చేస్తున్నాను. వారి శ్రేయాభివృద్ధులే నా ఆనందానికై మూలం. జై హింద్.
Grade-VIII Topaz. Today I am saying a story. Do you know all crow? Yes, we are discussing about that. One day the crow was flying in the sky. The crow want to drink water. The crow will come down. In a pot some water will be. The crow will see, but it can't drink. Why? Because its nose is big. So that the crow will wear stones in that, and that crow will drink water. So that friends, try until you get success. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. I am N. Chakradhar Reddy of Grade-VIII Topaz, here to give a small speech on education. Education is the thing which removes all differences among us and makes us capable to go ahead together, who makes our challenging paths very easy to lead. Getting quality education is like meditation and yoga, as it requires concentration, dedication and patience. Without education, there is no differences between human being and animals. Education is a tool which removes all differences among us. Thank you for giving this opportunity to give a valuable words to all. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Harshavardhan. I am from Grade-VIII Topaz. I am here to deliver speech on life. Life is a roller coaster ride. It is full of twists and turns, ups and downs. It is full of suspicious. When our life journey is smooth, our life is very beautiful and excellent. When our college life begins, it is very exciting, and where we experiences ups and downs. In our life, we will face many problems and troubles, but we should not scare about it. We should be aware of it. In our life, we have to achieve something, or our life is waste. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. I am K. Karthik of Grade-VIII Topaz. Today I am going to give speech on self-confidence. Self-confidence is a art of believe in yourself. When you believe in yourself, you can achieve everything in your life. When you are going to give a speech or when you are going to do something in front of all, you have to be self-confidence. Self-confidence is important to get a success. When you are believing self-confidence, you will get success. Self-confidence, once you believe self-confidence, magic starts happening. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Myself I am Kaushik of Grade-VIII Topaz. Now I am giving a short speech on eagle. When eagle becomes older, it nails and its nose will become weaker. It will cut its nails by scratching on rock, and it will cut its nose by hitting on tree. It will wait few months after cutting its nose, and it will after cutting its nose and nails, it will wait for few months. It will not chase any host. After After few months, it will get sharp nose and sharp nails. It will chase host like before. So that we should learn from this. If any problems comes in our life, we should bury them with our hard work and success. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself, I am from Grade-VIII Topaz. Now I am going to give speech on father. Father is a God gift. Father is a hard worker in the family. Father who earns money for the children and family. For while watching mobile for 1 hour, you can utilize the time of the time for your father, and you can help to your father. Thank you.
Happy morning, everyone. I'm Tanmay from Grade-VIII Topaz. Now I'm here to give a small speech about Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is a supreme being in the Shaivism, one of the important tradition in the Hinduism. Shiva is also known as destroyer of the Trinity. The Hindu Trinity also includes Vishnu and Brahma. The Shiva Trinity is in the Shaivism. Shiva is supreme Lord, and who creates, protects, and transforms the universe. A special thing about Shiva is that Shiva is a great ascetic leader and master of fertility and master of poison and medicine. Finally, I want to conclude my speech with Shiv Bhakti is not beg or chase. Thank you. Have a great day.
Good morning everyone. I am Sri Shloka of Grade-VIII Topaz. Now I am here to give a speech on how to shine yourself. First thing, be the person who you are, what you are, and speak what you want. Because you are the only one who knows yourself better than everyone. Second thing, be kind and humble to everyone. Because there's a reason behind every person who they are, what they are today. Next thing, when you are not ready to fight for what you want, then you don't have any right to cry for what you lost. Next thing, don't depend on anyone for anything, because you are the only one who can lead your life better. Thank you.
I'm Prasanna from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Now I'm here to deliver a speech on discipline. Discipline is the most important part of everyone's life because it shows our character, behavior, and what we are. A person without discipline will never succeed in life because discipline is a part of success. A person who leads disciplined life can easily set a path to success. Thank you.